Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. So the purpose of today's video is to share with you a wall panel that we've installed in my living room. So let's jump right into this wall panel. So what do I have here? I have this is a matte black color. And I have it's 12 inches by 94 or 96 inches. And we actually had to do a little cutting at the bottom when it was installed, you know, to fill in the bottom part. And I absolutely love it. I'll try to place a few clips of when it was installed here. Okay, love, so this was installation day. It took the contractor, about an hour and a half to install. He had to do some cuts at the bottom, but other than that, as you can see, it gave my space that wow factor that I was looking for. I absolutely love it. So I wanted more of a pop in this space. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I had a gray sofa in here. I had two different gray sofas in here since I've been on YouTube. But I decided to go with this off-white sofa. And for me, the off-white sofa on the white wall, it wasn't giving me the pop that I wanted. Because you know my style is glam. So I like to have those pops, you know, those bam, striking looks sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. And the wall paneling is actually giving me the bam, the pop, the striking, the amazement that I was looking for with my new sofa. Now, I'm not saying that I don't like my sofa. I really love it. Although I probably would have loved it even more if it came in gray. But, you know, I needed something different. You know, the gray is what I've had for years. So I needed a change. So back to the wall panel. So I actually have 7 boxes on my wall. And it comes with 2 panels in 1 box. And it was actually gifted to me from a company over on Instagram called Ozarke. I'm working with them over there. And I was so excited to get the opportunity to work with them. And I'll place a link down below just in case you want to check out the company. And how we have them in here is actually with black screws here on the actual, what are those? The 2x4s that's in the wall. That's where the screws are. And we were able to install my sconces in between the wall slates. All we did was put the screws in between the wall slates. I didn't put any holes inside the paneling itself. That would be devastating. And same thing with the wall art. I just put the nails or hooks or whatever in between the slates to make so that I won't damage the wall panel. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the wall panels. I know you guys are surprised that I went with such a dark color, but I actually love it. So let's talk about the other decor pieces. So the lamp that I have over in the corner is a Home Goods purchase. It is a recent purchase. I wish I could have found another one, but I do have another lamp coming, but it's not that particular lamp, in which I will be using over here on this side sometimes. But I'm loving what I have going on here with the lanterns. I wanted to do something different. So when I saw these lanterns over at home, originally I picked up one, and when I came home and I accidentally set it on the end table, and I'm like, oh my goodness, that looks pretty. And I haven't seen anyone with a lantern, you know, used as an end table decorative object. And so I'm like, oh, that is so awesome. So of course I went and I grabbed another one, and I ended up forgetting to grab the candles. So you'll notice these are different candles, but who knows? Who cares, right? For now, this is working just fine. These are the candles that go in my other candle holders on the other side. So I am loving the look that I'm getting with these lanterns. So the pillows, I've had these pillows for quite some time. And if you notice, they have a shimmery, they're those shimmery looking pillows. Yeah, these are some Z Gallery pillows that I've had for quite some time. The ball pillow is actually from Amazon, and I will link those. Then I have a little accent table here. It's actually from Home Goods, actually. And then I have this little sitting deer. I showed you guys that deer in a haul. And then this little touch lamp here is super cute. It's also from Home Goods. So then I have my coffee table and end table over here that matches. Those are from TOV. Then I have some vases here that I pulled out of my shed. Those are from, I think these are from Home Goods. Let's see. No, these are from Burlington. Guys, don't sleep on Burlington. And this one was $14.99. I'm not sure how much this one is. I don't want to pick it up, but from Burlington as well. And this object here is from At Home. I will link that. And I already said the coffee table is TOV. And my mirror is from At Home. These boxes here are from Amazon. I got them when they were like 40 bucks. You know, you have to be careful with Amazon. Sometimes things may be one price and the next day there'll be another price. I was sending this link to someone one day and these boxes were $75. I'm like, oh no, I would never pay $75 for these boxes, but they're definitely worth 40 bucks. They come in a couple different shapes. My slim fireplace here is actually from Wayfair. I will link that. And this vase here is from At Home. I will link that. And these are from Z Gallery. I don't think they have those in stock. And over on this side, my drapes are from Amazon. Now, I have some, let me see if I can lighten this up. I have a different set of drapes coming. They're lighter. So I'm thinking once I put the lighter drapes over here, when I'm filming, it won't be so light. Because, you know, look, if I come over here, it looks so nice and clear. But when I film over here, it gets a little dark. And I think it's because of those black drapes. Now, I'm not changing out the drapes because of that. I'm changing out the drapes so that I can have a little bit more flowing in with the sofa itself. And something else that I'm going to be changing out is my actually area rug. I have another area rug coming in that's going to flow a little better with the space. But for now, I'll just leave this one as is. The bunny rabbit over here is actually from Michael's. I will link that. And the candle holders are from At Home. And the candles are actually from Pure One. And this little piece here that I have in between my mirror, my windows, are from Ross. See how dark it gets? Yeah, these are from Ross. You can see it better here. Then I'm going to turn this way. My wingback chairs from Wayfair, I'll link that. Then I have a smaller, let's see here, a smaller ball pillow from Amazon. Then I have this pillow here, which is an On Cloud 9 pillow. I've had it for quite some time. You can see this is a smaller one, and that's the bigger one. I'm into the ball pillows ever since I've gotten this different sofa, because the sofa actually came with a set of off-white, funny-looking ball pillows. And my super cute tulips are from Amazon. So let's pan on around to the entryway. Now, let me make this lighter. So, Wall Art is from At Home. The sconce up here is from Amazon. Let me see if it's charged. Oh, it needs to be charged. So in order for me to do that, I would need to take it down to charge it. And it's easy to take down. All you do is just do that. And it comes down. See the little piece there? But I'm going to put it back up here for the time being. That way you can still see how everything looks. Sconce from Amazon, Wall Art from At Home. This lamp is from Home Goods. I've had it for several years. Here's another bunny. And this is out of place. It doesn't belong here. I didn't mean for that to be in the video. And these vases here, I forgot what they're called. I think they're called Miami vases. These are from Z Gallery, and I've had these for umpteen years. I saw another influencer decorating with hers, and it reminded me, I'm like, I have some of those in my shed. So I ran out and got them and put them on here. So yeah, those are from Z Gallery. And these are my candle holders here, these hurricane candle holders. Those are from At Home. And I took the candles out and put it in the gold candle holder and made it one candle because I'm actually missing a candle. But yeah, how cute are those? My entryway table console is from Wayfair. Lately it's been out of stock, the black, but they do have like a cream and I think a green and a white. But the black is so versatile, you can use it with any other colors. So I would go with the black unless you go with like the brown one. Because brown is another color that you can tie with several other colors. And over in the corner, I pulled this out of my home office. These are actually, I think these are from Home Goods. And these are from Z Gallery. And the vase was a gift. And I forgot the name of that store that this vase came from. Now, I did see this vase on Amazon. If I could find the vase, I will link it. And then I have another end table here on that side. So yes, so this is my current living room and the updates that I've done. I hope that you guys are inspired, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.